This is a bedroom, and we've got our ducts tied in. You can see these two are tied together here. And if you follow it further back, the bathroom duct comes off, feeds the bathroom. You can see everything because the sheetrock hasn't been put up yet.
We're hanging up the strap for the exhaust vent for the bathroom exhaust fan.
We exhaust it to the eave of the house, as you can see in the background. Here's another exhaust fan for the other bathroom. Whenever it is running, which it'll be turned on by a light switch on the wall, it'll exhaust all the moisture and everything out of the house to the eave of the house like you saw before. But this goes up through our vaulted ceiling and goes back to the plenum if you follow it back. We've got two main trunk lines going up through the ceiling, one on each side of the house. But they both go back to the same place. Still in the roughed-in state. And it feeds down and will feed into the furnace, which is behind this wall. The thermostat is going to be mounted right here on the wall. Here's your wire. And as you can see, it runs through the 2x4s into the furnace closet. Normally you wouldn't be able to see that because it'd be hidden by sheetrock. Here you can see where the ductwork will come down and it'll attach to the top of this A coil. And this is your furnace. And your return air will be down here. I'll have air filters mounted in here to filter the air. You can also see your gas line coming in. The gas main comes in over here on the outside of the house, runs underneath the floor, and it comes up here. We're going to put an electric hot water heater in here, but we went ahead and ran oversized gas line to the house just in case they want to add gas appliances later. And we capped this off just in case they ever want to go to a natural gas hot water heater. We ran a 3/4 inch line up and over through the ceiling, and it runs all the way across the dining area through the kitchen, and it'll feed down the wall. And it'll come down through this kitchen wall to here, so that line will stick out of the wall. And if you want to put you got a choice of running an electric stove or a gas stove.